Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily fix the problems of Windows updates. So if you are unable to perform the updates correctly, or for some reason you encounter an error as I do, then this video is for you. So first step, what we will try to do, we need to go to the search button or click on the Windows sign and type services. You click to open the services application, or you even click on open. And here we click anywhere and we press W or the letter W. We keep until we reach Windows Update. Once you see the Windows Update in blue, you double click with the right button of the mouse and you select Automatic, Delayed Start, and you click Apply. Once done, you select Start, and this should enable back the updates for you. You click OK. And then the next step which you want to do, you want to access to your internet. After connecting to your home internet or any internet, you want to go to the Windows tab again and type Settings. Open the Settings tab, and normally you should go to Windows Update and Security. And here you will have Windows Update highlighted in red here, the sign in red, and you click Retry. Normally, Windows will be able to search for updates and confirm to you if your computer has the most updated version, or it will automatically start downloading and installing updates. If you still want to change the active hours or any other things, you can always go ahead and look to pause or stop the Windows updates for 7 days, or you can even change active hours if you want, so that it doesn't disturb your normal workflow. Or even you can go to advanced settings and manage the settings as you want. I hope this video tutorial has helped you guys to solve the problem of Windows. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment, send us an email, and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to help more people, you can always press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.